another high one.
Yeah. Spider-Man. Okay.
I will not be going upside down in this one.
Why?
I want to look at the
I didn't understand it. She just told me to put my head back. And I was like, dude,
It's not that hard. I just wanted to go backwards, so I went backwards. Just go like this. Yeah. You gotta put your feet up. Like Spider-Man, like this on the rope.
But I talked to her. I talked to her, man.
I saw you made her laugh. She called you a dead fish, Cora. She said, that's not upside down, that's dead fish.
Really? She
Yeah.
actually did?
Yeah. So now you got it this time. You got to show her you're not a dead fish.
I don't know how to do it.
You just had to bring your legs up too.
Further up, I think.
Dead fished it.
I don't like
She would think.
I don't like her anymore.
Did you veto? Not allowed. I'll never see her again, so it's fine.
You better not.
Not with that attitude. Plus, I just love the fact that you think you'd have a chance.
Do you know who I am?
You know who she is? She probably sees hundreds of guys come in here from all over the world.
And I'm the one.
I bet every guy thinks that about her, and she just wants to drink and party, hang out, play chess.
I'm mostly joking because I'm she'll be like dead, probably.
Oh, she'll be
60,
dead?
60.
She's your age.
No, she's not.
She's in her early 20s, tops.
I'm 18. There's no way I'm pulling anyone in their early 20s. I just graduated high school. She's already a junior, sophomore in college.
I mean, I could have gotten Misty when I was 12 and she was 16.
Good luck, buddy.
17,
You
actually.
were a little
18 and 23.
Oh, wow.
I might be with that. She might be 22. Imagine.
There you go.
Love story. No, but I'm
Oh, yeah.
That would have been rough.
I'm bristling.
I saw her walk up and I was like, oh, this would be funny.
Haba. Hi.
Jumping on
Jumping.
the wire.
Thank you.
Upside down.
You turn into Bogan.
That's a fish. That's a fish. I don't know how to put my feet down.
Do it. Just do it.
I went Spider-Man.
It's true.
Cora, why don't you scoot down a little bit so that some other people can sit down?
Not too shabby.
Jake would not have done that.
No, Jake probably
I'm
would never
barely
enjoy
doing
this.
it.
You're doing good, Mama.
You're doing good.
She asked
Should
me
go
if
upside down.
I
The
was
Pope
going to go
does
upside
good.
down,
You're
and
doing
I
well.
said, no, I'm not. I'm barely doing this.
Did she call you a chicken?
She said, no, you're doing great.
Was she like, "Bah-bah"?
You're doing great. Just jump.
Just
like,
jump.
Okay.
Thank you. Fairy princess, elf lady. Kinda gotta pee.
gotta hold
Is that
it.
the end?
I'll just go next rope, next zip line. Hope I finish before we get to the end.
We have a lot more, right?
That's a gamble.
I thought there was
There's
7.
9.
I honestly don't remember how many there are. We're the first ones out for the day
Oh,
though.
okay, good.
We're the first ones out.
First group, yeah.
What are we doing after this?
More waterfall stuff.
Yeah.
Probably get some lunch.
Oh, yeah.
I have bread.
We do have lots of bread. That's true.
I don't want to eat that.
I don't want
I
bread.
want a freaking cheeseburger, dude.
I want a cheeseburger.
I'm so sick of fish and
You had fish.
crappy fish.
I want clams.
I know, honey. That's tomorrow. Remember, I made you. But you can have them today, too.
Okay.
Not a bad view.
There's a lot of land.
I would almost
Put
prefer a
the
view
zip
like
line
this
in.
than being right on the ocean because it's so loud right on the ocean. What'd you say?
A lot of land for like a zip line.
You're going with me.
Again?
We're done.
I beat him. I need to go retrieve him.
Because you're heavier.
Yep. Faster. Gravity working for me for once.
Daddy?
I actually beat Matt, and he's heavier than me.
Who am I going with?
Whoever.
Chill good.
I don't like those.
Take a chill.
This one's high. Like going down.
This was something I wanted to do last time. I never got a chance to do. We probably wouldn't have gotten to do it even if we wanted to because I didn't make reservations last time.
Yeah, those people just coming up. We want to go.
They're booked out for like at least August.
It's tomorrow. What are we doing tomorrow?
Kahana, Black Sand Beach.
Black Sea? Beach again?
Yep.
I like beaches.
And the hot ponds.
Two?
Yeah. It's like, I don't know. Hot ponds.
How am I going to race it? Am I going to do a cannonball like
Oh no, I just need to keep your legs up in the air. You go faster. Put them up to your chest.
Oh, that's a good tip. Go fast. Cannonball. This would be kind of fun in the rain too. Lightning in the distance.
Yeah, that sounds great. With all this metal on us, boy, that'd be so fun.
Let's go.
I'll let somebody go first.
Yeah. Nice.
Anybody want to guess the top speed clock on this line? No,
95.
just under 76 miles an hour.
What?
Oh, that's nice.
No way.
It's fast as shit.
Didn't go that fast. 75 miles an hour. He's
Yeah,
lying.
running start. He jumped in midair.
Just clipped on. They just clipped him on and shot him out of a cannon. I like to imagine that he didn't want to do it and they just made him. Or her. Her name's Cora? Is her name Cora? Really?
Okay, that'd be weird.
It is. That's what I just heard her say, yeah.
Here's four.
I think so.
I want to do that.
Can I football?
I want to do that.
He flipped off it? I missed
Yeah,
it.
he did.
Hold your right your hand. Good to go.
I'm going to do that.
I got front flip.
Yeah.
I think
I don't think you're allowed to.
he's done it more than twice, I bet you.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I mean, maybe if you want.
You gonna do a flip?
Oh, I'm not. I'm very tight on my rope. Close my eyes.
System. Now it's in the seatbelt.
Get there. Take a deep breath and be
So when you're coming into the platform, lean left
Oh, we're doing that.
or right. And don't just tilt your head like after you leave. Because when you hit the stopping system, it'll swing you up. You don't want to hit yourself in the face. You guys ready?
Sounded important.
You get in, you have to lean
That's right.
when you get close. Because the thing's going to pop up and you don't want it to hit you in the face.
I am a Texas.
I want to race that. Race that.
You want to race me?
Let's get that red.
No, that's.
I'm going to be, because I'm going to be like this.
No, you want to slide. How she could get around? That's not what upside down. I got the worst. Like, just get.
Ask her to get it for you.
That's not a good line. Take that aside.
Look at the horses.
No.
I'm going to try to.
Where you going?
Doing?
Yeah.
Not here.
Not me
I went
either.
upside down and
I think me and Jake are just going to go to
see
the water.
We're driving off at a
Yes,
beach,
and
and when you
we
do
can
after
be
that.
here.
Yeah, he's got homework.
Why don't we just say the horse?
No,
Because we're going an hour and a half north, and we're not coming back to get you for the next thing,
We have
which is
another
the
thing.
manta rays.
Yeah. Money.
Alright, here we go.
Mom, did I miss you? Yes. How good are you? Have you ever been in
Oh yeah, just when you're coming up to that platform. When you're coming up, just lean. Not the different all the way down. I would say the best place is right where you see the grass. Right there.
Can I not help or can I not?
Don't do it.
I want you to
Go upside down if you can correctly this
Yeah,
time.
fix the upside down issue before you do
The next trick.
Makes sense. Understand where you're coming from.
Alright, you guys get to
Video that weren't flipping onto a zip line.
Alright, next two.
That would be a great video.
Custody.
Maybe the other Cora can teach her. Maybe if you just name your daughter Cora, she turns out to be a mystical
They were
goddess.
talking about the guy. The name is like
Oh,
Cody.
Cody. That's such like a boyish name. No wonder she turned out. Oh, that was Cody. Get her name and her number.
Cora's ring. I'm kidding. Mom, it's the highest one. It's up it's the best. Obviously.
What?
You want to go last to make it all go together.
Yeah.
You going with the mother?
Yeah.
We're racing.
So how do you flip over again?
Just
Lean all the way
flip.
back and you're gonna pull your legs up.
Like Spider-Man.
That's what I did.
Now your legs were
Legs
down.
like this. You
Hey, a sack of potatoes.
Try and put your feet right here.
gotta lift your feet up.
Try and touch that with your feet. That'll help.
Yeah.
Oh, he's putting the speaker on it, Mom.
Can you attach music to that kid? That's funny. Tyler, you did it on purpose.
I'm trying to move to
Now you look like a hobo though. Start drilling on yourself.
Ray-Ban.
Philadelphia, New York. Too bad, you know.
I'll push off first. When I get stuck, I just kept sliding down.
I don't go 75 miles per hour.
You gotta hold your legs up like a cannonball. Beat the record.
So it does like
Yeah.
tighten up.
Tighten up. Don't slap me with your strap.
I've never seen anyone go faster.
Stop looking at yourself, you weirdo.
It's off.
It's not off. I turned the front screen off.
The thing is off. How would I look at myself?
I don't know why you're looking into my heart. No gang signs.
No game signs.
You're a crip. Look like a crip. Blue shirt.
What should I say?
I think they got this cables here. I think they got the cables here. Air? They flew them in the helicopter? Too heavy to walk. What? Literally nothing you have to do. So.
You guys ready? You guys fixing it?
I'm mad that I forgot my gummies.
Winning? No?
Would have been perfect gummies.
1, 2, 3, go! Alright, hey! I'll come on this side.
Going for the record, 75 miles an hour. Your hair is gonna slow you down though. Like a sail.
You guys ready? Alright, you guys good to go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, next two. I'm gonna have you stay right on this side, and I'll have you circle over here. Turn to your left, step right in the back. How are you guys doing?
Great.
Right on.
Ball, man.
It's beautiful scene.
Yeah.
Where are you guys coming from?
Virginia.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You guys got this stuff over there?
You
guys got to, yeah?
This is the first time, but there's probably zipline courses in Virginia, Shenandoah Mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a lot of skiing, so I would assume.
Okay. I'll let you know when you can go.
Okay.
Yeah, good to go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that was the best one.
Got some heat on me,
Yeah,
man. How's that line for you?
That was great.
Some gorgeous views, right? You got the new speed record for the day, man.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Awesome. Awesome. You did it. So I got the speed record. Yeah, it did. I swear I got it on tape and everything. For the day.
I actually did it this time.
You went upside down?
My feet on the day.
Nice.
See me?
So I went fastest for the day.
Yeah.
Feel pretty good about that.
Because you were tucked the whole time. I let go.
Fist bump.
I was going so fast.
I know.
I was like,
Like
but I was going backwards so fast because I didn't know when I was gonna stop.
No, I heard you were like, ooh. he said, heater.
You gotta tilt.
No, I did it on
I
purpose.
remember
I wanted to go
before.
really fast. I don't know if we have these in Virginia. I think, but I've never seen them advertising zip
Well, I
lines.
think the reason they made me stand, they don't want, like, if you get stuck, she shouldn't have to pull you. Like,
Thanks, Misty.
well, I mean, they did the same thing.
I would love her to come out in the line like Spider-Woman and pull me back. Next time, that's my goal. I'm gonna try to stop in the middle.
No, that's what I
Damsel in
They were
distress
like,
it.
You,
Yeah.
you know what they said? They were like, you got 2 lightweights coming down when you went.
Yeah, you were this.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 lightweights. Yeah.
Can't win them all. I can't gain weight.
And she was like, "You talking about the skinny kid with the blonde hair?"
No, she didn't say that.
And he was like, "Yes, over."
Yes, over. Just
The
like,
kind of blonde hair.
Yeah, the kind of blonde hair.
Streak.
why are you shitting on everything? Just relax.
Just your hair.
Just take a chill.
It looked better if somebody shit on your hair.
I mean, it literally looks the same as yours.
That's not saying anything. It does. You're right.
Yeah, so why are you shitting on me when you're
She's a girl.
Beautiful hair.
It's luscious, luscious. Both of your hairs are luscious.
I told you that time he saw your driver's license.
I have the best
he was
hair.
like, Misty, do you need
Yeah.
this? And I was like, that's Aiden. And he was like, ew.
We have to go over
You have to cross the bridge. No.
Yeah, like in Temple of
Yeah.
Doom. There's
Yep.
crocodiles
Yes,
under
we
us.
do. Guys, go ahead and follow me, okay? Don't go onto that line and go around. We're gonna go across that bridge next to
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump.
You're
I'm
gonna
gonna
jump
shake it.
off the bridge?
No, I'm gonna shake it.
Not jump off the bridge. I'm just.
Anyone got a machete?
No. I actually don't.
You get Tobias, I was great.
Best view, and we're not even facing the ocean.
You want to explain that one?
No. Oh, it's on camera.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Damn it. And the camera's glued. Guys, we're talking about the mountains.
Like up and
Yes.
We're talking about the mountains, guys.
down. Look at the bridge. There's like
Yeah, I think it's a bridge.
it's so lucky.
I'm sure it's fine.
Do a cartwheel on it. Back handspring.
No. Don't trust me. Strap
This is gonna
ourselves
be
to
fun.
this. Hi, I'm gonna clip you on. Oh. And
He's gonna bounce it the whole
you come a little closer. Sorry. No worries. You're all good to go. How you doing?
Great.
What do you think of that last line?
Oh, this is the best one yet, I thought.
I
It
think
was
so.
fun.
Can you come up all
Oh,
the way?
yeah, sure.
Thank you. You're good to go.
Thank
you can come
you.
up all the way.
Going.
Hey, man.
There's a cooler up there with water inside.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Good job. You can do it. You're not old. We're spring chickens. That's why we do this stuff while we're young. Look at that kid run though. Good for him. Take care of your knees and back, kid. Horses. Not even out of breath. Whew. Here you go, kid. Oh no. Threw that hard at her. Didn't even hesitate. This is the thing, you can pay a little extra to hang out at. Yeah. I think it was like an extra $100 though per person. In a private lagoon. Yeah, for real.
Ziplining over here.
It looks cold. It would be cool to swim by the waterfall. Oh, cool. One at a time.
Or like, they wanted to go so bad.
This one to go rapid.
3 times. I'm excited.
Stop it. Be nice. Hugs. Hugs.
Look at the camera. Love each other.
Boobs.
Oh my God.
Taking them with him?
Yeah, that girl asked that
Cora's like,
kid. I wanted to go.
I know.
Can we go?
Do we all go?
Did you see that?
What?
Pressed it to record, but it was off, and then she pressed it again, and it like started recording.
Who did? Oh, so she missed it all? That's what you're saying? I'm always paranoid about that. I just record the whole thing. It's the best way. Edit it later. What? No.